How to fix accent needed no internet on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everybody, if you are having this kind of error on your laptop, you may follow up this process in order to fix it. So first of all, let me just go ahead and close this one right here. After that, you may just go ahead and go to the search, and in the search type in registry editor and just go ahead and run it as administrator on your desktop. Once it opens up like this, the next thing is you need to locate this HK local machine, drop this down like this, and from here look for the option of this one right here, system. So drop down system, and once you expand your system, look for current control set, expand this one as well. And from here, from this expand, go to services, expand services, and from services as well, you need to scroll down and scroll down until you reach over and locate up the file registry editor and LASWC. So just go ahead and locate that up. This one right here. So just go ahead SVC. So this one right here, and once you locate it up, look for this parameters, drop it down as well. And from here, go over to internet. And once you reach over to this registry editor, we're going to just go ahead and scroll down from here and look for this enable active proving. So just go ahead and right click on it, modify, and we're going to make the value data 0. So cross it out, click on 0 and click on OK, like this. So once that is done, same in registry editor, you may hit back, close this one right here, close this registry editor local machine and head over to current user. Again, local machine. After that, go over to this time, go over to software, drop this down one, expand it, and from software, you need to go ahead and look for this policies and drop it down as well. And then once you drop it down, go over to Microsoft, drop this down as well. And from Microsoft, go over and look for Windows, drop down Windows. And from Windows as well, you need to go ahead and look out for network connectivity status indicator, right click on it, and we're going to create a new default value. So after you have done that, you can just go ahead and name this default value no active prof. So just go ahead and type in no active prof here. And once your default value is created, you can just go ahead and modify it. Just right click on it and make the value data of this one right here to 1. So make this value data 1. After that, click on OK. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and restart your laptop or the desktop in the save. The changes should be saved. So this is it for now. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.